To use the washing machine, start by pressing the power button. And then you can select whatever setting you want. You can see that right now it's on, but if you need to go back to normal, you just turn and it shows the pre-selected settings. So I can choose the temperature, I can choose the spin, the soil level, and I usually leave the signal because that's the sound that it makes. Leave it on low so you know when it's completed. There's lots of different cycles that you can choose here for the wash, which will change the different settings and usually can be changed as well manually. If you're using a liquid detergent, open up the direct drive, and the liquid detergent goes in here. Make sure not to fill over the max line. If you're using a laundry pod, simply pop open the door, throw the pod right on in, and then finally press this play button to start the laundry. You can also use this to pause if you need to add a garment into laundry after you've already started it.